Good morning, traders. This is Jay from daytradingsupport.net, and looks like I have a potential setup. And let's see if we can get in. Maybe not. Hello, traders. This is Jay from daytradingsupport.net, and just got triggered into a long position on crude oil. This is the May 2015 contract, and looks like we've been moving up in a consistently upward trend since about we broke out around 8 o'clock, a little bit after 8:05. So now uh, came back and it's testing the 50 period moving average on my 233 tick chart, and I think either this is gonna move to the upside. Oops, there we go. Which it is, and I think our target will probably be. Let's see if I take an extension of where we were. Probably. Let's just take a Fibonacci measurement. So it looks like based on the past movements, we should be able to hit the 47s. Let's put it 45.98 and see if that'll touch. All right, now if it stops me out, I think we're probably going to be moving uh, to the 46.50 area. That's where my 50% retracement would be on my 610 chart. I just want to see if it could pick up some steam on this 233. But like I said, if it doesn't, then I'll look to re-enter. I'll let myself get stopped out, and I'll re-enter at the 45.50 roughly in that area, which I suspected that might be a possibility. So looks like I'm risking one, two, three, four, 5 ticks. Um, so $50 on risk. We are a little bit extended when I look at the Renko chart, which I've drawn some trend lines. I'll show that to you now. If I look at this Renko chart, I'm a little bit extended. Um, if I wanted to take a real good solid trade, it would be from a lower point down here. But like I said, sometimes the market picks up momentum. I was kind of watching the volume, and if we get stopped out, we'll just get back in later. I'm operating with my new computer. This is my Asus with a solid state drive. I just actually installed everything last night, and I'm still getting used to Windows 8. It's a lot more responsive. I noticed this computer. It's an i5, and it works well. So we're just getting to learn how to work with Windows 8 yet. Let's just see if I can kind of monitor this a little bit. And it looks like it's more than likely going to stop me out here. I just want to let it do so because yep, never know. There, yep. See there's a little pop. If that pop can get above this little area here, then we're set to go to trail higher. Matter of fact, I'll draw a little rectangle here. We can break out of this area one way or the other, which looks like we are set to do that right now. I see prices working its way up. Like I said, either it's going to come back or it's going to break out of this area, which there's a good chance it's going to break out. And there it goes. Now I just have to wait for it to confirm and continue. I have a very conservative target set right below the 47s. And as soon as it breaks away, I'm going to start trailing my stop. Let's kind of zoom in a little closer here. If you draw some trend lines, you can kind of see um, where things might be headed. It's actually, let's see, this is where I officially broke out of that area. So yeah, now we have the momentum to take it a little higher. I think I'll let this simmer. I'm going to pause the video and come back in a little bit. Okay, it continued on. I am going to start pinching in my stop just to protect myself from any sudden movements in the market. And I'm not really one to give a lot back, so um, I'm just going to pinch in. You can see I'm up there. It just hit my target. So that was uh, that was not a bad trade. Our entry was 46.76, and we went almost to 47. So it's roughly about 22 ticks, and that was a good trade. I hope you enjoyed that. And if you have any questions, visit us at daytradingsupport.net. See you next time.